I don't think people understand just how amazing Loquat Leaf Tea is. Let's change that. Loquat Leaf Tea is not only delicious but packed with health benefits. Imagine sipping on a tea that supports your immune system, aids digestion, and even helps with weight management. Sounds incredible, right? This unique tea has a smooth, slightly sweet flavor that's perfect, hot or iced. And guess what? It's super easy to make. Just steep the leaves in hot water and voila, your new favorite tea is ready. Whether you're a tea enthusiast or just looking for a healthy alternative, Loquat Leaf Tea is a must-try. So why not add a tropical twist to your tea routine today? Don't just take my word for it. Give it a try and experience the magic of Loquat Leaf Tea yourself. Your taste buds will thank you.